Nmap tool is used in the second phase of hacking. This is the most important and most widely used tool. If you remember, we discussed in our cybersecurity session that there are 5 phases of hacking. The first one is called as footprinting, or it is also called as the reconnaissance, which means collecting the information. So whatever information we collect here is passed on to the second phase, which is called as scanning or network scanning. The third one is gaining access, fourth one is maintaining access, creating backdoors, and the fifth one is the clearing logs. This third and fourth is actually the actual hacking, gaining, maintaining access. But here we are discussing about this second phase. So whatever information we collect from footprinting is passed on to scanning phase, and we use tools like Nmap to scan our target actively, or we can do it passively as well. So instead of using the pre-built tools, we can also create our own network scanner, our own Nmap tool. So this is what we are discussing, and this is where the Python library called python-nmap or the Nmap library, Nmap module or Nmap package comes into the play. There is an important point to consider about Nmap module, that this is just the front end. So here I have created a simple Nmap. Let me give you an example. If I run this network mapper tool, then it asks me to enter the target IP. Let me enter my own target IP 192.127.0.1, which means my local loopback of this laptop, of this computer. And I want to scan from port number 80 up to port number 81. Press the scan button. So I want to check that, okay, which ports on this target are open. So it gives me the result, and it shows that, okay, port 80 is closed, 81 is closed, and so on. So this kind of Nmap tool can be created in Python. I have created this one by using basic Python, and let me show you the source code as well in here. I'll share this in the comments as well. So I use the Kinter module and use the Nmap module. But to make this kind of tool, we have to employ two parts. The first part is the Nmap software itself, the original Nmap. And the second thing is the Python package installer. So python-nmap. We have to install two things. Let me show you again. This is our Nmap module. Step number one, we have to download and install this Nmap. Click next, next, I agree, and then it will be installed like this. You can go to the official website of Nmap. Go here, search in Google for Nmap, click nmap.org and go to the download section. From here, click on Windows and you can download this latest stable release. So after downloading and installing, the second thing we have to do is to install the module. So simply pip install python-nmap, enter, and it will install. If it is already installed, it will say requirements already met, requirement already satisfied, which means I have already installed Python Nmap tool in here and Nmap library as well. So otherwise on your laptop it will show the installation and it will be completed successfully if there is no internet problem. So after making sure that both things are ready, then our software will work. And then if we want to make any program, so we simply have to import. These are some of the examples that I have created. This is a practice lab. For example, you guys can try yourself. I'll share the source code as well. So here we will create a basic simple Nmap software, and this is the practice lab. I would recommend that each one of you must practice this one. In this lab, I give you a clear task that you have to create a basic network port scanner. This is your task, which should ask us to get the input target IP and port. This is the solution explanation. Step number one, it shows you the solution. So read it, try to do yourself. If you cannot, then open the PDF file again and try to do it one by one. So it shows you all the steps, and then finally it will look like this one output example, and this is the complete code. You can simply copy and paste and run it. So this is the first practice lab. After this, I have also created for you guys this one with multiple port scanner. So here in this practice lab, you guys have to create an Nmap software yourself. So I am giving you the practice exercises as a homework which you guys have to complete so that you have hands-on as well on Python. You will learn how to make your own small tools. Same solution and the task, but the task is a little bit different. This time it should ask you for the target IP and the range as well, that from where to where we want to scan. So it will ask you that, okay, tell me which IP address you want to scan and tell me from which port do you want to begin and end. And the third one I already showed you just now, this the GUI based Nmap, and this is the practice lab. Again, you guys have a clear task to perform, that please create this kind of Nmap and step-by-step explanation. I will share the link of these lab files in your comments below. If you need more labs, I have created a lot of other ones, then you guys can ask. So this is one example with basic, then this is with the multiple port scan, and then this is for the graphical user. So that's all about Nmap module in Python, or we can say it's a package actually, or a library in Python. So if you have any questions, please write in the comments below, or if you want me to make some video on any other modules, any other libraries of Python, you guys can also write in the comments below.